Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I missed you. I hope you missed me as well. So I happened to walk into Hobby Lobby the other day, and guess what I happened to gaze my eyes upon? One of those fancy electric erasers. I didn't even plan on buying it when I walked in, but as soon as I saw it, I knew that I had to get it. I always see a whole bunch of artists online using them, and I always thought they came in pretty handy, especially when you're in a tight spot trying to make an eraser, trying to erase something, and you don't have the room to necessarily move the eraser back and forth. I've always seen that they come in handy, so as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to bag one. And so I had to hold on to it till I made this video so that I could share the excitement of opening it up with you guys. Yeah, I love you that much. Side note, by the way, drawing with charcoal is a little bit more expensive than I thought it was going to be. If you're thinking about drawing with charcoal, just keep in mind that those things, especially the pencils, they tend to run out pretty quickly. I was making a drawing the other day for the short that I recently posted, and it required quite a bit of detail, so I found myself sharpening the charcoal pencils a lot, and there's just so much waste when you sharpen these pencils. I mean, you sharpen a pencil a couple times and they're almost all the way through, and then you have to end up running to the store again. But I guess it kind of depends on the kind of charcoal that you're using. If you're using like willow sticks and things like that, or like charcoal blocks, then I guess there isn't as much waste. But if you find yourself using those pencils, prepare yourself. You're gonna be running to the store quite a lot. All right. Anyways, back to the video. So, like I said, decided to hold off on opening this up till I made this video so we could share in that excitement. And let's go ahead and open it up and put this bad boy to the test. All right, let's see. So looks like it uses AAA batteries, 2 of them. So good thing I got some on standby here. Let's go ahead and open this up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Uh-oh. Lots of replacement tips, which is really cool, because I can see myself using this a lot. And I'm glad I don't have to run over to the store as soon as I run out, because I got all these replacement tips. So this looks pretty cool. Let me see. The batteries start going at the bottom. See that. And side note, this might be like a cheap version. I guess we wouldn't know till I start using it. But yeah, I'm sure there are probably more like high-end versions out there, but since this is my first time using it, I'm just gonna stick with the cheap one for now, see how well I like it. It would make sense going all out right now. And that's something that I recommend, by the way, for you guys as well. Is anytime you're starting to use something or starting to try something out, just go on the cheap end, see how you feel about it before you end up spending a lot of money and then not liking whatever color pencil set or sketchbook or whatever it is that you're trying to use. So I guess you just put in the batteries and test it out. I think these are for like changing the okay, so like, I guess if you're using this one, it's for the bigger eraser tips, but these are for like the tinier tips, which makes a lot of sense. Let's use a tiny one for now, because I suspect this is where I'll be using it a lot, is trying to get those fine-tuned, detailed highlight additions and stuff like that. So I guess it fits in pretty good right there. All right, slide the batteries in. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice. You can barely see it rotate. You can barely see it spinning. I'm sure you could probably hear it though. That looks really cool. Let's try it out on one of my drawings. Let's see. All right, let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. Oh, I love that so much. Like you could, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the precision is on point. Let me lift this up a little bit more. Like right as I touch like a single spot, it just takes away the charcoal. Check this out. All right, like let's do like this spot right here where you can see it. So charcoal, you see that? No charcoal. It's like so spot on. I love that. That you can't get that by going back and forth. So this is a definite game changer. I can already see it being a game changer for my drawings going forward, especially like the hyper realistic, really detailed drawings. Speaking of that, I definitely want to put this to the test. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be thinking about what I could draw, what I could put out to you guys, and yeah, you're gonna see me using this a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, my videos are typically short form content, some long form content where I just make some drawings, and I usually try to sprinkle tips here and there about how I make the drawing come out, the tools that I use, and how I use those tools to be successful at making the drawings. So just like you see here, I just added a new tool to my toolkit. We're on this journey together. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell just so you get notifications for whenever I post another video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.